Welcome to our short video about one of the most important characters on this planet. Bees are not just small insects, but talented botanists. Not only do they create sweet nectar for us, but they also play an important role in pollinating plants, helping us put food on the table every day. Worker bees, with their powerful wings, quietly walk through thousands of flowers, delivering pollen from one flower to another. This not only helps the tree become stronger but also creates a beautiful world of color around us.